All right. I found a boat ramp. No catch nothing? Oh, zebra mussels. Those are not good. Is this table rock?
This is Taneycomo.
What is it?
Taneycomo.
Okay. Thank you. Bad zebra mussels. This lake is infested with zebra mussels. Juveniles are nearly invisible. Adults you can see. Clean room of all plants, animals, mud, and thoroughly wash everything, especially all crevices, blah, 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 blah. Put unused bait in a trash can. Clean your boat. I don't know. They spread from lake to lake. Don't ask me what they do to people. I don't know if there's a human hazard or if they just spread. Stop rock snot. Boy. Boating hazards. This is Taneycomo. I didn't know what it was. I should have known that. But Table Rock is right at Branson too, because Kimberling Inn is on Table Rock. So I saw another heron. Yeah, there's one over there. That white streak is a heron. But yeah. So you want to work at the lake? Want to fish? There's trout in there, I guess. So nice, biggest boat ramp I've ever seen. Wide, it's about 20 feet wide, maybe 30. And a big parking lot. All right, there you go.